Well, we're from Texas, Austin, Texas, and we're here to learn, and we did learn a lot. And my wife's the owner of Casito Services in Austin, Texas, and it was a lot of information, and we're gonna get it done. 193.
And I found the Brandons
The Brandons.
on YouTube channel, and I can tell they're honest, and they are humble. So that's why we choose them as a mentors, and I really recommend them for
other cleaners.
for
and
other
to learn.
businesses. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I only came here for one day and I learned a lot.
Yeah.
And you're not even in the cleaning business, huh?
Yeah. I got a YouTube channel and I want to start getting into 3D printing business and basically expanding the YouTube channel throughout all of the media. And this has definitely helped a lot, even though I've only been here for one day, but there's been a lot of useful info as well.
Just good business information in general.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's one of your guys' biggest takeaways going back to Texas?
Awesome. I will do that.
For me, it would definitely be the hiring. It's a good to know thing, especially for once I start hiring more editors. And of course, when it comes to, I guess, selling products on Etsy with 3D printing.
And what about you? What's the biggest takeaway for the cleaning business?
For me, it was a lot. I just came here to learn. I really wasn't supporting my wife at the beginning because of my job, but from this moment on, it's going to change. So, yeah, I learned a lot, and I'm going to implement everything that I've learned here, to perfection, and retire.
Retire you and me.
Retire her,
And then you.
and then me. Yeah, it was
Yes.
awesome.
And me the same as my husband. So if he says okay, it's okay.